trouble using Facebook app, then in today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari or move into any of the browser. In the address bar, search for Facebook outage. Now simply head over to the very first site. Wait for a while for it to load. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Facebook app is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down, and in that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once you have checked the server of Facebook app, now move into the App Store. Well, in the search bar, search for Facebook app. Make sure that the application that you are using is up to date. If not, tap on Update and update it. After that, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Facebook. Tap on Offload app. Once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.